Hi guys, Red here, and I'm back with another video. And guys, if you were wondering like how I record like with my iPad, I use an iPad stand. So yeah, this is the stand. So you can do like this, like if you want to put the stand like that, and obviously to put your iPad or whatever you want, and you can move them. So if you want to put your phone, so I use this stand to help me. So yeah, anyways, guys, today I got this off Blue's idea. Link in the description to this video. Today, we're going to be solving a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And I have a timer right here. So, let me go to my clock app really quick. Stopwatch loaded right here. First, I'm going to scramble it. So, yeah. Time lapse.
The magic of time lapse. Time magic. I don't know. Time magic.
Okay, guys, so you see it's scrambled, right? You guys can see that. Everything is scrambled, right? So I'm going to start my stopwatch. Holy crap. Okay. No. Reset. So, I'm going to start it. You guys, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Inspection time, guys. I'm going to start. Okay. Not moving anything in 3, 2, 1. So guys, my highest score is 2 minutes 33 seconds, I believe. So let's see if I could beat that. So.
I'm probably not going to, but I gotta go. That. 35 seconds so far. Okay, second hit. Okay. And guys, this is also showing me that I can solve Rubik's Cube, so.
Sean, Blue, is the one who inspired me to solve the Rubik's Cube. Because I already had a Rubik's Cube, but I never really like wanted to solve it. But he inspired me, Blue. So link in the description to his channel. Okay, guys, I'm really close.
Oh my god! Guys, I might beat it. No, probably not actually. Screw that. Okay. Okay, I'm getting really close. I want to beat my high score really bad. Okay, last step, guys. Last step.
Like the video if you have no idea what I'm doing right now. And guys, I'm gonna have a video up. I don't know when. Of unboxing and review of my 2x2 cube. Oh. 2 minutes 11 seconds, guys. Completely solved. You see it? Yes, I beat my high score, guys. Let's go. On camera, guys. 2 minutes 11 seconds. So you know I'm not lying. Solved. You see everything. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be having an unboxing and review of a 2v2. I'm talking about Clash Royale. 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So I'm still learning on how to solve that. I don't know how to solve it yet because I just got it yesterday. I ordered it on Amazon. So yeah, link in the description to this cube probably, unless I'm really lazy, which I probably will be. But yeah, guys. Anyway, that was me solving a 3x3 Rubik's Cube and proving that I can. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.